Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use Telegram without phone number. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, let me tell you that if you don't want to give your phone number and want to use the Telegram, then you can do it very easily. But if you want to use Telegram without any phone number, then it's not possible for you, because when you open Telegram at first page you can see it asking you to confirm your phone number with your country code. So guys, if you don't want to get your phone number and try to use Telegram, then you can do it very easily. For that you have to search for quaker.io. Just simply have to scroll it down and you can see a lot of phone numbers here. Here's the phone number. Just simply you have to put these phone numbers. So let me put one of them. So let me tell you that if you want to give the phone number of US, you can see here is the phone number. Then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to download any VPN and just simply you have to select the location for US. Okay guys, so let me show you here guys. I'm not connected with any VPN and now I'm going to put the phone number. So 201660124. Now I have given this phone number. Now I'm going to tap on continue. Again tap on continue. You can see here guys, so you have to wait some second. If you are connected with any VPN, okay guys, then you can log in your account here very easily. So how can you log in your account guys? Just simply you have to tap on select that you have given the number and you can easily see here guys. Here are the verifications code or OTPs. You can see here guys. These are the verification codes. So just simply have to put the verification code from here. Okay guys, so let me show you here guys if it's working or not. You can easily see here. Please check your internet connection and try again. So let me show you here guys. I'm connected with the internet, but still it's asking me to connect with the internet because I'm not connected with VPN. Just simply connect with VPN and select the location for that country. So after that you can easily log in your account there. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.